Elaine Malarkey, but there isn't any Malarkey here. Most people know about Ernesto Miranda, but most people don't know about his mother. I had the opportunity to interview.
Hi, my name is Ernesto Miranda. In 1963, my Ernesto was arrested right in Phoenix, where we lived. He was charged with rape, kidnapping, and robbery. Ernesto was not informed of his rights prior to when the police started interrogating him. So he was taken down to the station for a 2-hour investigation. While he was there, he confessed to committing the crimes, and the police went and recorded it. But little did Ernesto know that he was being recorded, and also that he had not been read his rights. How Ernesto had not finished the 9th grade, so he didn't know that he didn't have to talk while he was there. He didn't have to confess to anything, but he did it anyways because they didn't read him his rights. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Elaine Malarkey, and this is Jenna's courtroom. Over here is our judge, Edward. Oh. And over here is our jury. Say hello, jury. Hello. Thank you. At the trial, the prosecution case only consisted of his confession. He was convicted of both kidnapping and rape and was sentenced to 20 to 30 years in jail. He appealed the Arizona Supreme Court. The police had unconstitutionally obtained his confession, is what Ernesto claimed. The court disagreed, so the case was reviewed in 1966 in the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice, Earl Warren, wrote a 5-4 decision, and it ruled that the prosecution could not introduce Miranda's confession as evidence in a criminal trial because the police had failed to inform Miranda of his rights, which included the 5th and 6th Amendment. The police have a duty to give these warnings. Well, Ernesto and anybody in the United States has the right to an attorney and has the right to remain silent, and police, it's their job to do that now. We take for granted the rights that Miranda...
I second her opinion. I think that the rights need to be given for everyone who's being arrested at the time.
Chief Justice Earl Warren wrote a 5-4 decision by the Supreme Court, and it ruled that the prosecution could not use Miranda's confession as evidence in the criminal trial because the police failed to read him his rights, which included the 5th and 6th Amendment. He has the right to an attorney and against self-incrimination and the right to remain silent. I, Elaine Malarkey,
And I, Ernesto Miranda,
believe that the Supreme Court's ruling in favor of Ernesto Miranda was just and fair.
yes.
This case, Miranda versus Arizona, created the Miranda rights, which now we all take Miranda for because
Before, people who would get caught wouldn't be able to have them, and they couldn't take back what they said. But now,
the people need the right, the people have to have their rights, and the police officers have to acknowledge that.